Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tanu Wellness. We often hear about lower back pain, lower back relief exercises, but we tend to forget upper back exercises. So in today's videos, we are going to focus on top 5 effective exercises for relieving your upper back pain. Now, upper back pain can result from poor posture, muscle spasm, incorrect way of sitting at your desktop. So in this video, I'll guide you through 5 simple exercises like shoulder shrugs and rolls, scapular retraction, thoracic rotation stretch, overhead reach stretch, and 5 seated rows. These exercises are designed to improve not only your flexibility but enhance your posture and also improve your mobility. So if you are ready to find relief from upper back pain, this video is for you. Here's what we'll be covering today. First, we'll discuss shoulder shrugs and rolls. I'll be demonstrating simple, easy exercise for the shoulder because most of the times when we have upper back pain, shoulder stiffness or tightness is the culprit. Followed by second exercise, which is going to be a scapular retraction, which is again a shoulder blade squeeze exercise where you're going to work on the shoulder blades. 3, thoracic rotation exercise, which is a side stretch. 4, then we'll go for a overhead side stretch, and towards the end we'll be doing seated rows. Now I've designed these exercises in such a way that even if you have a lot of tightness or pain in the upper back muscles, you can do it easily with modification tips. And if you want to work on your mobility or flexibility of your upper back or shoulder or your neck area, then I'll be showing few exercises using a resistance band. So if you have a resistance band, keep it ready. You can use a towel if you don't have, but once you develop a little bit flexibility, I would suggest that you go for a resistance band or a exercise band or even a resistance loop would do. And don't forget, towards the end, there is a special bonus tip where how to use proprioceptive feedback to enhance your exercises. So stay tuned till the end. And before we dive in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. This way you will not miss out on our latest videos packed with tips for a healthier life. Coming to the first exercise, which is a shoulder shrug and shoulder rolls. There are 2 parts to the first exercise. First, I'll show you the shoulder shrug. In that, you have to sit comfortably. Either you can sit on a chair or on your bed and gently lift your shoulder towards your ears and drop. Breathe in normally. This can be repeated 10 to 15 times. And the second part to this particular exercise is the shoulder rolls, where you're going to move the shoulder up and then move in a particular direction. This enhances your blood circulation. It relieves the tension in your muscles. So when you're doing this, make sure you go slow and gentle. Once you finish 10 times of one direction, go in the opposite direction. These are shoulder rolls. So shoulder shrugs and shoulder rolls are very important when you have to reduce your upper back tightness. That stiffness in your upper back is majorly caused due to tight shoulders. So try this exercise. Coming to the second exercise, which is a scapular retraction. Now, scapular retraction exercise is the exercise which caters to your shoulder blades. So when these shoulder blades are tight, you automatically have incorrect posture, causing a lot of upper back pain. In this particular exercise, you're supposed to sit comfortably either on a chair or on your bed. Keep your hands by the side and now take it closer to your chest level and push your elbows backwards. Squeeze your shoulder blades together as if you're trying to hold an imaginary pencil between them. Hold it for say 5 to 10 seconds and release. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds and then relax. Repeat this particular exercise say for 10 to 15 times twice a day. The best part about this exercise is this: you can do it in front of your laptop. When you're taking a water break, squeeze for a couple of times and then relax. The best part about this exercise is this targets the rhomboids and the middle trapezius, which is the culprit muscle when it comes to your upper back pain. So when you start stretching this rhomboids and middle trapezius muscle, it automatically releases the tension in your back. Now when you have done this exercise and you feel a little loosening up your muscles, go ahead, use an exercise band or a TheraBand. Sit same way, and instead of looping it over here, just pull it here like this. Stretch, stretch, keeping your shoulder blades squeezed here. Just stretch. You will just feel the movement. You will not feel much of the hand movement, but you will feel a nice squeeze in the shoulder blades. Also, resistance loop can be used. Initially, when you have pain, try to use a extra light loop. You can hold it in between your fingers and same way squeeze the way you were squeezing initially. Repeat it couple of times in a day and then see the difference. Share your experiences with upper back exercises or any tip you have done to manage your back pain in the comments given below. Remember, your insights could help others find relief. We love hearing from you. Don't go anywhere, we have a special tip at the end of this video on how to utilize proprioceptive feedback to enhance your exercise. So stay tuned for some practical advice. Now the third stretch is thoracic rotation stretch. It's a very easy stretch which can be done at home, in office, or you can do it right in front of your laptop or anywhere if you want to stretch. This can be done in sitting in one position on your chair or on your bed. Relax your shoulders, keep your hands in front and stretch sideways. Remember, we are trying to target the thoracic area, that is your upper back area. Initially, you can start with a lighter object or even a ball. If you're doing at home, grab a ball or any object, go from 0 degree, from the center to 30 degrees till you feel a nice stretch in the upper back area. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds, which is very important because that will give you a nice stretch in the upper back area. Repeat on the other side. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds and relax. And once you feel that you've improved a little bit of your flexibility or your back pain has reduced a little bit, go ahead, take a TheraBand or an exercise band and try to stretch further 20 degrees from center. Stretch a little bit, maintain that stretch and the tension there. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds and relax. Repeat on the other side. Remember, holding is very, very important, and incorporating this particular stretch in your daily routine can help counteract the effects of prolonged sitting, incorrect posture, or any type of stiffness in the upper back pain. Now the fourth one is overhead side stretch. This is a very simple exercise that can be done at home, office, or even if you're taking 5 minutes break from your work, this can be done. This stretches the side of your torso, upper back muscles, relieving tension, and it gives lot of flexibility when you start doing it regularly. For this, sit on a chair or on your bed, keep one hand side, lift one hand straight and try moving to the opposite side. If I'm doing the right hand, I'm trying to overhead reach. As if I'm trying to grab something from the top. Feel a nice stretch at the side, the torso, the upper back muscles. Stay there for 10 to 15 seconds. Return and relax. You can modify the number of seconds, but try to hold it minimum 10 seconds. Up again. Turn to the opposite side, feel a nice stretch in the torso region, try feeling nice stretch in the upper back region, twist a little bit, hold and then return to the center. This particular exercise helps in improving your scapular mobility. It strengthens the upper back muscles and promotes better posture. When I say strengthening the back muscles, you must be thinking, how it is strengthening? So once your flexibility improves, you can hold a lighter weight. You can start using a dumbbell. Hold it in your hand, twist and relax. You can just do it with this. This repetitive movements becomes a strengthening exercises. So this is both stretching and strengthening, which helps in working your shoulder, upper back area. The fifth move is a seated row. It's a simple exercise that has to be done in a long sitting position. Keep your spine upright, engage your core, fold your knees. Here you will need a resistance band. If you don't have a resistance band and if you're doing it at home, you can grab a towel or a stretchy cloth like a dupatta, anchor it around your feet like this, interlace like this, cross, interlace like this, wrap, and then try to pull front and back. Engage your core, try to pull and back. Here, this is more like a cable row which you do it in gym, but here it's a modified rehab seated row, pulling front and back. Repeat it say 5 to 10 times. This particular stretch not only helps in strengthening the upper back, it works your core, but also pulls your upper back muscles, thus reducing upper back pain. As promised, here's our special tip. How to utilize proprioceptive feedback to enhance our upper back exercises. Now, what is proprioception? Proprioception is our body's sense of position and movement. For example, perform your seated rows or your scapular retraction while standing using a balance board. So there are certain tools which can help you enhance your sense of position or movement. Mirror is an excellent example. This challenges your upper back muscles in new ways, promoting strength and stability. Proprioceptive feedback helps to improve our body's awareness, leading to better muscle activation and more effective workouts. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel Tanu Wellness, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our latest videos. Thanks for watching and take care.